The only reason anything good is happening is because the Federal Reserve did quantitative easing. Okay? So here's QE1. This is the monetary base. The Fed buys bonds, and that's what it shows. QE1, 2, and 3. $3.5 trillion worth of bonds. Okay? And when the Fed buys those bonds, they call up a bank, they say, we want to buy bonds from you. They buy bonds, they give the bank cash. And from 1913, that's when the Fed was started, all the way up through 2008, every time the Federal Reserve would buy bonds from banks, the banks would take the money and lend it out. All right? And so whenever the monetary base and the Fed's ownership of bonds went up, the M2 measure of money and bank loans went up about the same rate, almost exactly. And if they ever shrunk the monetary base, then the M2 money supply would fall. So it would always go hand in hand. But all of a sudden, in 2008, now all of a sudden the Federal Reserve starts buying these bonds, and the money supply doesn't grow. Well, it does. It keeps growing at 6%. But in other words, banks weren't lending that money out. And as a result, I believe that quantitative easing is not what's driven the economy. All right? I don't believe it. So when somebody tells you all this is fake, it's a sugar